Okay, first thing, we are going to make a horned owl. So what that means is that the owl has some ears. So what I'm going to do is make a big U. And this is going to be where the owl's head is. It's going to be kind of an outline, if you will, of the owl's head. I like to kind of get a good idea of where things are going to be first, and then I can fill things in. So there's where the head is, and we're gonna have the body. So let's do another kind of like a smile line right here. And we're gonna have wings, so I'm gonna put those in now. So I'm gonna have a little, like a D, but a very flat D right there. Sometimes it helps to think about lines as letters. So we're gonna do another one over here, another wing shape. Another wing shape. So we've got two wings, we've got a head, and we've got a body. So for the top of the head, I'm gonna actually just make this kind of draw a line across between the ears, or the tufts of fur. So that is going to be where our owl head is. So when I think of owls, I like to think of they have these big giant eyes. So I'm gonna make the colors to go around that. So I'm gonna make a big line in the middle. I'm gonna make a line in the middle, and then I'm just gonna draw a circle kind of around that. Make a big M, like the McDonald's arches, like so. And I'm just gonna color out using my light purple. And what I'm doing here is I'm actually kind of creating some fur texture. I'm gonna go out into the horned ear area. Okay. And the owl is going to have a mouth too, but we're gonna go down, whoop. So there's the eyes. There's where the eye holes are gonna be. Maybe I'll throw a little bit here on the side. The owl has a little bit of fur on the side. Okay, so now I'm gonna figure out where I want the beak to be, because it's orange. And if you've ever mixed paint, orange paint and purple paint are opposites on the colors, the color wheel. When you think about the colors, they're opposite colors. So if you mix the two, here, I'm gonna do it right here. If you mix orange and you mix purple together, it creates kind of a brown color. And I don't want that. I wanna keep the colors nice and bright. So what I'm gonna do right now is take the orange, and I'm gonna actually put the orange in. So I'm going to make like a little diamond shape, little diamond, like a whoop, like so. And I want to make sure that that stays nice and orange, and that I don't color over that with the purple. But now I can go back with our purple and go right up against it, right up to it, and not color over it. And then I'm just going to take my finger and go out. And I can fill that in with white later. But right now I'm just getting in. You want it nice and tight against that orange, but you don't want to cover it up. Nice and close. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and work on the body. Work on the body. So with the owl, I'm gonna do the same thing with the body as I did the top. We're gonna use our light purple, and I'm just going to make some little strokes, working my way down. I can have the dark purple get over top of and work into this light purple. That's fine. In fact, that's a good thing, especially right here. Okay, but now I want to go in with my light purple and color over it. And I'm kind of working towards the center because your strokes can actually show movement. So in this case, we're making his belly nice and round by making our strokes with our fingers nice and round, like so. Maybe I'm going to throw a few little lines here. If you've ever seen cartoons of owls, a lot of times they'll have like little V's. So we're just going to throw a few little darker bits in. A couple little lines here and there, and that's going to give some texture, some ruffled feathers. Do the wings the same way. We're just going in, leaving the dark parts dark, and we're just coloring in with our light purple. It's actually really simple once you do the outline to make a really nice owl. Okay, so now we're going to do the feet of the owl, and an owl has talons. You think of owls, you think of the head, the body, 2 wings, you got the 2 eyes, and then you got the feet, which are talons. So we're gonna just do 1, 2, 3 little strokes with our orange, and we're gonna do 3 on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Make sure that I color in that little spot right there. So there we go, we got our feet, we got our nose, we got our horns, we got our wings. Cleaning off my finger really well. I'm gonna do the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm just gonna kind of fill in. Ooh, we got nice dark purple. That's okay. I'm gonna go in with our white, and I'm just gonna color in this eye area, making sure not to color over the orange too much or the purple too much. I'm gonna go back in here and make this a little bit more white. Maybe this side has a little bit more shadow. That's okay. That is okay. So we got 2 big eyes, and now I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna make the pupils. So black dot, a little bit of black paint, right in the center. Like so. Now I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm going to dip it first in the black, and I'm gonna do little nose holes on his beak. So I'm gonna do a little line like right there, and I'm gonna do one on the other side. That's more of a dot, so let's just drag that out. Okay, so he's got a nose hole there. Now I'm gonna go in, clean off my pencil, and go in and do some white. And just throw a little highlight onto this eyeball. That's a nice big one. I made that black paint really thick. Throw a little bit more of a highlight. Okay. All right. There you have it. Ta-da! There is our purple owl. What do you guys think? I think he's pretty cute. Thank you guys so much for painting with me today. I had a lot of fun. I hope that you had a lot of fun painting as well. And until next time, sending lots of love. Bye!